safe at home. And today I am here to discuss something important to you all. And that is about, actually we have done everything well, like before our holidays. Block 1 and block 2 we completed everything, and things we need to maintain for the next academic year that I am telling you now. That is like we have done our lesson part and workbook part, and after that we need to maintain our notes also. So what are the things which we need to maintain after each and every block? I am going to explain you about this in this video. So don't skip the video, please watch the video in full length. And when I am talking about a lesson, what you need to do is, whatever the lesson I am reading there, you need to place your finger there and you need to read. And after that you need to underline every important word which I am covering in notes part video. Okay, I think I am clear to you all. Whenever we are doing the video, after that we will be getting another video related to the notes maintenance. So in that video I will be explaining you all how to maintain your records and maintaining of notes and workbook part. So after the lesson you need to underline all the important words. In that all the keywords also will be getting covered. So you need to underline the important words, and you need to underline the meanings also like this. Okay. After the meanings we will be having a phonic rhyming type structure will be having. So we need to do that also, underlining part. Okay. After that we will be having practice questions like this. So we need to cover all these practice questions also in textbook part. Okay, like this we need to do. This is completely related to content book, that is textbook. We need to do all these things to maintain the first block. Okay, after the first block video you need to cover all these pages, children. That means underlining each and every important word in the lesson, and after that any phonic rhymes related to that lesson, that block, you need to underline all the important words and you need to recite that poem 2 to 3 times for the best reading purpose. And then you need to maintain all these practice questions which I'll be covering in the notes part video, that you need to do everything. And after that, coming to notes part, you'll be having this kind of notes, children. For English you will be having 4 rules. Okay, and coming to first page you need to maintain index. Okay, whatever the block I am covering here, you need to write the serial number of the lesson and date in which we are doing that lesson, and block name also you need to mention. Okay, after the books will get corrected, we will be signing here. Okay, this is the index part. So after that you leave one line, and after that you open next page, and you need to maintain notes very neatly, children. And this is the first time we are writing and maintaining the notes, so I will be writing in broken letters, split letters. Okay, I will be giving complete notes to you all, and you need to write in your notes as I have given in the notebook instructions part. Okay, here I am showing you like this. See, children. So first of all, daily when you are writing your notes part, you need to write your date. It's very compulsory and important. Okay, you must write date. Don't forget it. After that, don't use the top corner here. Use the first line of the page for maintaining any headings. Okay, so we are talking about our first lesson, My Balloon. So you need to write here block 1, My Balloon. Okay, so heading you should write here. The title of the lesson you should mention here in the first line of the page. And after that you leave one line and write new words, and all the new words you need to write here. And after that just go to next page. We will be covering meanings also in this notebook part. So you need to mention heading name, meanings, and underline, highlight the heading properly with your 2 pencil lines, and then write the meanings. After that we are going to write question and answers like this. So question and answers, first you need to write question and answers heading and first question. After that 1 Q you should write, first question 1 Q and answer A. After writing one question and answer, leave one line and then go to second question and write answer. After that go to next line. Like that, how many questions you will be covering in that lesson you need to write. And after that, you should, when you are completing the full block, you need to mention here block 1 completed. Like this you need to maintain. And these notes I will be showing you clearly and I will be explaining you everything. After this, I will be sending a PDF format to you all for the further reference. If you don't understand any question or answers properly in this video, you can refer the PDF which I am sending and you can maintain the notes. After writing the notes, we will be collecting all your notes from your book, from your parents, and we will be correcting them and we will be sending you. This is the proper video for maintaining the notes and workbook part, everything, children. Okay, I think it is very clear to you all, and I will be attaching the a notes video how to maintain your notes and how to write it. I will be explaining in detail. Let's get into the video. Yes, children, this is our content book block 1 My Balloon. Okay, in this textbook now we will be underlining all the important and new words to you all. Okay, now underline along with me. RED, red, BALLON, balloon. Underline these 2 words. And then CHERRY, cherry. Underline it. PA, pa. Underline it. BLOWS, blows. TOMATO, tomato. Underline. And then ma. Underline. APPLE, apple. Underline. GRANDPA, grandpa. Underline. PUMPKIN, pumpkin. Very good. GRANDMA, grandma. POPS, pops. FAMILY, family. Okay, and coming to meanings. Family, group of people related to each other. Under that you underline that and you need to read till there only. Grandma, grandmother. Grandpa, grandfather. Ma, mother. Pa, father. Like this you need to underline and you need to read the meanings. And coming to notes part, first write the date, children. Date is must. And coming to first line, write the heading of the title of the lesson. Block 1 My Balloon, and leave one line and come to next side heading new words and write all the new words properly like family, grandma, grandpa, ma, pa, like this, and turn to next page and write meanings. This is the next second side heading, so you need to underline that with 2 strokes and highlight the header. Okay, coming to meanings, write all the meanings one by one. Start with capital letter and end with the full stop. Okay, grandma, grandfather, grandmother. Write all the meanings like this. Okay, and leave this page and go to next page. And the first line, give the next header, heading, question and answers. Don't write in the top corner. Okay, and write the first question. 1Q. What is the color of the boy's balloon? It is red in color. Full stop. And coming to second question, leave one line after one question and go to next question. Okay. Second question, who are in the boy's family? Question mark. Answer, the boy, comma, pa, comma, ma, comma, grandma and grandpa. Full stop. Okay. We finished 2 question answers here. And go to next page and write third question. Who pops the balloon? Question mark. Answer, grandma pops the balloon. Full stop. With this we completed the notes part of block 1. So we need to write there block 1 completed. After that we will be doing corrections, children. Okay. And coming to content book part, block 2 people, place, animal, things is a project block. So we won't be providing any notes for this and we will be doing a project based on this. Okay. So first of all we need to do the remaining practice questions in the content book. So fill in the blanks with the words from the story. I have a red dash balloon. I dash it to pa. I bring it to pa. See bit, dash blows into it. Ma blows into it. My dash has 4 members in it. Family. My family has 4 people in it. So leave the second bit. Go to third bit. Okay. fill in the blanks with A, E, I, O, U vowels and match the pictures. Okay, with this we need to, with the help of pictures, you need to write the spellings. Okay, bag, log, bug, like this, and leave this fourth and fifth one. Okay, on these practice questions we need to write only these two bits, and after this in the project, in notebook, we need to do the project that I will be explaining you in detail. After finishing block 1, write next date. Date is compulsory. After that, in the first line, give the title of the block 2, naming words. Okay, and highlight it with 2 strokes. Paste any 5 images of the person, place, animal, thing. So for this project we will be providing 5 marks, children. Okay, you need to paste any of your interested pictures of person, place, animal, thing, and you need to paste it here. With this we will be completing block 2 project work. Okay.